Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix display settings which is not working. Okay, so the moment you do a right click and go for display settings, this error, just wait, this MS settings personalization background error will occur. So in order to fix it, I'll show you 3 steps on how, okay? First is you need to search for command prompt. Just type CMD and then go for run as administrator. And then here your user account control will ask you to allow, just click on yes. And here you need to paste this command. Don't worry because I'll be pasting this in the description box below. Okay, Control C to copy, Control V, then click enter to continue. So this will restore the health of your computer. This will take some time, 30 to 1 hour, depending on your machine. So once done, just check your display settings if it's done. If it's working, then let's say if it doesn't, then let's proceed to the second step, which is to go for run. Just press Windows and R key together to open. And here you need to input this command. Let me just highlight this. Control C, minimize this, Control V to paste, and then OK. And then here, this will actually clear the Microsoft Office Store cache. Okay? So after that, just close this and then proceed to the next one, which is to search for command prompt again. Let's say if the second step will not work, then let's proceed by searching command prompt, then run as administrator. Just wait for the run as administrator to appear. Okay. Click that. And your user account control will ask you to, well, just click on yes. And then here, you need to input SFC /scan now. Then click enter to continue. This will scan, I mean, verification. This will start verification system and it will take some time, maybe 10 minutes, depending on your machine again. And once done, you just have to restart your computer and check if your display settings if is working again. So hopefully those 3 steps helps you. If yes, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button to be updated into our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.